when I look at how Hugo Bruce did the way he did, there's time where you need to coach.
Yeah.
And then there's time where you need to manage.
Yeah.
And then when the player is late in the meeting, the door is closed. You tell him, no, wait outside. And then you finish whatever that you finish. Then you're going to brief him after to say, this is what we need. He's not late in the field of play. He's late in the meeting. So you need to manage him to say, this is what I want from you to come to the to be here on time. So how Hugo Bruce managed this Vilakazi's issue, for me
it's quite disappointing. So
really
angamoshi sekahamba so where azosihlakazela national team. For me, above everything, so Dylan isn't privately.
The other thing is that if when he says why is he going to Chicago,
what he's telling us about the Chicago Fire, it's not something that we don't know. Yeah. We all think that the boy should have waited for a AFCON Lentus. But for me to come and say it in the media when the boy has made a life-changing move, for me, I just feel like going into the AFCON, I hope this doesn't put his intention negative for us going into AFCON.
For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.